this video I am going to show you how to create a flow with the Microsoft Teams in Power Automate. That means before creating a flow within the Power Automates using the Microsoft Teams, first we will see how to add a Power Automate in Microsoft Teams, and after that, once it will added to the Microsoft Teams, we will create a flow with Microsoft Teams. That means we can access a flow from the Microsoft Teams also. So first we will see how to add a Power Automate application in Microsoft Teams. So usually we are using the Microsoft Teams in our corporate section. So here I am just login my Microsoft Teams with the Microsoft credential. This is my Microsoft Teams that I login with my Microsoft credential. And as I didn't added that Power Automate to Microsoft Teams, so here from the beginning I will show you how to add a Power Automate within the Microsoft Teams. So let's go to that apps, and here we can search for that apps, that is Power Automate. Now it is showing that Power Automate. If you click on the add, then it will add to the Teams. Yeah, now it's added to the Teams. You can click here, the right click, and you can click here to pop up the apps and the pin. Let's pin this app so that it will visible whenever I will open this Microsoft Teams. By default it will display. Okay, I will buy it after some later. Okay, so and this is showing me all the flows that I have created using the Microsoft Teams. In the home page it will showing all the flows, and in the create section you can find all the templates that integrated with the Microsoft Teams. We can use it as it is a pre-built templates. We can use and configure with our site, and with the little configuration we can work with the flow. And if you click on the see more templates, you can find all more templates here. Okay, second thing, as we have added the Power Automate in our Microsoft Teams, let's create a flow using the Microsoft Teams. So for this we are not using the templates, and let's create a flow from the blank. Click on the create from blank, and it will ask for to select the trigger. So as per our scenario, I want to create a flow where the user is added to a new item into the SharePoint list, the specific SharePoint list, then it will notify a message via Microsoft Teams. For this let's click on the SharePoint, and within that when an item is created, so in this site address let's give the site name. My site name is Sonam. So and the list name, I am going to give a list name that is, suppose I am giving a list name that is project. Oh sorry, I forgot to show you that my list. So let me show you my first list, and this is my project list. So in this list I have a ID and the title, start date, deliver date, and the project handler name. So a simple list I have just created to showing you how the Power Automate flow is working with the Microsoft Teams. So let's return to our flow. So yeah, this one, and click here new step, and under the new step let's go to that, as it is to post the message. So post message, or you can write here, search here for Microsoft Teams, and yeah, this one is Microsoft Teams. Under the Microsoft Teams you can find all the actions that comes under the Teams. So post message in a chat or channel, and then post in as a, I just want to send in a group or a channel. So select channel, and it is asking for the team. So suppose I am going to give a SharePoint training. I have a Teams in it. I have a team in a Teams, Microsoft Teams. Give a channel ID. Channel ID is general. Suppose hi. Okay, let's like hello team. There is a new item. There is a new project has been added in the project list. Here are the details. So I am giving the details, title, and the title comes from the this one, the dynamic content. Wherever the title, whenever the people added some titles there or SharePoint name, project name there, then it will reflected here. And the another one is start date, deliver date, and the project handler date. So come to the Teams, and the start date, sorry for mistake, start date. So start date, here is the start date, and the delivery date. Deliver date is click here to deliver date, and the project handler, or if we can assign them the team lead. So handler display name. Okay, so there is a question why it is coming to the apply to it, because where I am using that project handler display name, so it will convert it to the apply to each, because there is the project handler section columns, it will allow the more people column. That's right. So let's test it. Click on the save. Okay, now it's saved, and click on test and click manually. Okay, let's test this flow. So it is showing us like a Power Automate. It is also showing us that to see it works now, add a new list item to the SharePoint folder you have selected. So let's add some items in the SharePoint list. Okay, return to the list and click on new, or we can edit. Okay, here I'm just giving a title, like suppose I'm giving a name that is quality assurance, our project name, quality as, okay, spelling mistake. Okay, now it's fine. Click on start date. So I'm going to start this project by 8, and this project should be delivered by 12. And the project handler is, of course, it's myself, Sonam, and I'm giving some another name, that is Kritika. Okay, and let's exit this list. Okay, yeah, and let's save this flow. Sorry, let's just reload this, refresh this. Okay, and let's check whether the message is notified in Teams or not. Next, return to the Teams, and here we can see in the Teams, as we are sending the in Teams, so it will come into the Teams only, the channel only. If we are setting it is a chat with a bot, that means it will send a specific person. So within the SharePoint training channel, it will coming in. Yeah, this is coming like this. The title is quality assurance, start date and the deliver date, and it is my first project handler name is, it is first Sonam, and the second one is for running for the Kritika. This is how we can operate with Microsoft Teams using Flow also. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial also. In my last video, I have shown you how to send messages to Microsoft Teams via Power Automate. That means whenever a user sending you message or emails you, in that time you can get that notification via Microsoft Teams using Power Automate. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more videos tutorial on SharePoint, online, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Python and machine learning and many more. Please subscribe to our channel and share as much as you can, so that your colleague will get ideas. And thanks for watching. Bye.